Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm here at Aljunied. We are seeing a 3-room with utility with 65 square meter at block 95. Come, let's take a look at the unit. Fairprice supermarket, shops and eateries, market and hawker center are just downstairs. Block 95 is a short walk to multiple MRT stations, Aljunied, Paya Lebar, Mattar and MacPherson. Located on the high floor with unblocked views. Upon entering the flat, you are greeted by an efficient hall with cross-rim ventilation, allowing natural breeze to cool the house. The front room can fit a queen's bed and a study desk. The other room has a similar squarish layout, spacious enough for a queen's bed, wardrobe and dresser. The kitchen is equipped with built-in cabinetries and comes with a separate toilet and bathroom. The utility room provides an additional space for flexibility. Finally, whether you are a single professional or a family would like to experience life living in a vibrant heartland and well-connected Geylang East estate, enjoying the old neighborhood charm with its rich heritage and everyday conveniences with the long-standing market and hawker center, supermarket, public swimming pool and library that continue to serve the community today. So, please give me a call for a viewing. I will see you in the next video.